Hey, Paw Patrol fans! It's the Chase and Marshall Brothers Super Show! We're the Chase Brothers, the plumbers, okay? We're not like others, so get all the fame. If you think it's in trouble, you can call us on a double. The faster than an others should be Hope Carter Brothers. Yeah! Whoop, 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 whoop. Hey, the proceeds to hang on to your seats. Get ready for adventure and remarkable things. You mean Bear, Hug Day, Nurse, SpongeBob, others. Hanging with the plumbers should be Hope Carter Brothers. To the yeah, oh, don't the brothers.
Marshall and Chase Bros, the Plumber Crew Band. Woohoo!
SpongeBob! Why must you always screaming and talking on like that?
Sorry about that, sir. I guess I feel a little bit panicking. You better talk to your archenemy.
What? Who is?
You'll see what I'm talking about. Incoming video call.
Sounds like you got a choke on the straw, eh, Marshall?
Humdinger?
That's right!
How did you get out of jail? We thought we under arrest you from a movie.
I just got out of the jail, Chase Shepherd. I heard you become a plumber's now.
Well, sometimes, how's the mustache?
It's big and valuable.
I'm a mayor of a big fancy band now, boys, and we're supposed to play the band concert next week.
That's
right. I live in your dreams, Marshall and Chase. The problem is, I'm busy next week and can't make it. So, I was hoping you and your band could cover for us.
I knew it! You don't even have a band! Well,
I'll just let you two be around in your plumber lookout for a while.
Hold it! It just so happened that we don't sell junk pipes. We do have our band, and we're gonna play that band concert.
Yeah, how do you like that, fancy boy?
good luck next Tuesday. I hope the audience brings lots of ibuprofen.
That mayor makes me so mad I could just...
Marshall, whoa, hang on, easy. Let's just take a second here to relax.
Relax?
Yeah, just relax. Mayor Humdinger will pay enough.
You're right. We gotta get our own band fast.
Yeah, but how are we gonna do that?
Well, Dalmatians ain't smart, but I have an idea. Follow me, bro.
That's my brother.